If you're trying to view tweets on X but keep running into an age restriction warning, you're not alone. In 2025, X has updated how it handles age verification. And if your account doesn't clearly show you're over 18, certain content will be blocked automatically, even if there's nothing inappropriate in it. Here's the easy, legit way to bypass it. First, open X on a browser. Go to Settings and Privacy greater than your account, greater than account information. Your birth date. Is blank or under 18? That's the problem? Click Edit, enter your correct date of birth, showing you're 18 or older. And save it. If your date of birth is locked and can't be changed, don't worry. Head over to the official X Help Center, submit a support request under Age Update, and explain that your account was created without birth info. They'll usually update it within a few days. Next, go to Privacy and Safety greater than Content U. See and make sure the option to display sensitive content is turned on. This setting is often overlooked but essential to bypass restrictions once your age is verified. Finally, refresh your timeline or log out and log back in. You should now have access to previously blocked content. If this method helped, like the video, subscribe for more useful guides, and leave a comment if you still have questions. I'll answer every one.